You're now listening to ATG
Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I know it's been a minute since y'all have seen me, but do y'all see the way that my face is looking, that little ugly scrunched up look that I had on my face? Y'all, that is exactly how I feel about life right now, because life has been life. But I wanted to bring you guys a hair tutorial, a little quick 1-2 of how I did my hair for my vacation to California. And yes, y'all, I did go to California at the beginning of April, but like I said, life has been life, and so I haven't been able to get this content out to y'all. But I'm getting it out to y'all now, and I'm showing y'all how to do this quick little 1-2 right now. So hopefully you can forgive me for that. But as you can see, I am parting my hair out. I done washed my hair, blow dried her. Did I put any? I didn't put any grease on my scalp just yet, but I did put moisturizer in my hair. It was the jojoba oil moisturizer from Care. I did put that in my hair to give my hair some moisture before I go into braiding. And y'all, I am going to be cornrowing the front part of my hair, and y'all, please disregard the way I'm looking. When I cornrow my hair, y'all, it really just lets me know how tight I braid. Like, I really will tell people I do not braid tight, but once I start braiding my own hair, that's when I realize, yes sis, you do braid tight. But I am going to be cornrowing the front part of my hair because we are going to be doing a quick little braided half up, half down 1-2. And let me put y'all on real quick. This Gummy Professionals Keratin Complex Style Wax is the truth when it comes down to laying 4C edges down. Now, I don't just have 4C texture. I have like 4B, 4C. I have a lot of different textures in my hair, you guys. But this is the only edge control that I've been able to find that does what I want it to do when it comes down to laying my edges. And I found this courtesy of TikTok, so I just want to tell all the TikTok beauty gurus, all the TikTok beauty girlies, thank you, because y'all did y'all big one. Can I ask y'all a question real quick? Can y'all press that like button for me, and also that subscribe button? I would truly appreciate it. Alright, y'all, that's all I had to ask. It wasn't nothing too serious, wasn't nothing too major. That's all I had to ask. Y'all, I felt like I was braiding the top portion of my hair for 40 days and 40 nights. But here is the completed look. Y'all, don't worry about the edges. We still going through it. But this is the hair that I am going to be placing in the back of my head. It is some 10-inch, and I will leave in the video somewhere a picture of the hair that I'm going to be placing in the back of my head, because like I said, this was my vacation hairstyle look, and I just wanted something quick, simple, and easy, something light, something that wasn't going to require a lot of maintenance. And I had this hair just laying around because I forgot what company sent me this hair, but whatever company it was, thank you. And I will be leaving the link to this hair down in the description box below, so that's going to also be, you know, my thank you to the company for sending me this hair. But as you can see, this hair is really, really pretty. So yeah, I put all of that in the back, and now I am going to the front part of my hair, and I wanted to do kind of like a braided halo for the front part. I didn't want to, you know, do too much, because like I said, it is a half up, half down braided hairstyle. At this point in time, y'all, I was tired, so I was not going to be sewing down anything else. So I pulled out my handy dandy bobby pins to go ahead and just secure those braids in the front of my hair. I was going to sew it down, but bobby pins is what it is. And here is the completed look, you guys. And I know y'all probably think it looks a little different, and that's because I added some of this kinky coily curl hair into it because it just wasn't big enough for me. I wanted to make my hair a little bit bigger, so I added a few pieces of this into the hair, and I must say it looks amazing. I didn't take any finishing video of me at the end with my makeup and everything, but look at these little pictures from my trip to California. I want to say thank you all for watching my video, and make sure that you press that like and subscribe button for me.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me?